Beyond Typical's Cloud Access is a new subscription add-on that brings our powerful 3D Typical section tool straight into your web browser. Skip the download and create one-of-a-kind 3D visualizations from virtually any device in just minutes. Here's how. Until now, the only way to use Beyond Typicals was to download and run the application locally from your desktop. Because the software provides high-quality 3D graphics and real-time animation, the computer that runs Beyond Typicals needs a strong GPU and other hardware specifications to optimally use the software. We know that not all potential Beyond Typicals users out there have a computer that meets these requirements, so we've developed a cloud-based version of the software that those folks can access via a web browser. Instead of downloading the program and running it from your computer, you have the option to essentially rent the use of our virtual devices and stream Beyond Typicals over your internet connection. The main benefit of buying Beyond Typicals Cloud is to avoid the hardware upgrades that might be needed to use Beyond Typicals. However, you'll also get immediate access to our most up-to-date version. No downloads, new software installation, or additional hard drive space are required to access BT Cloud. Lastly, it gives Mac users an option to use Beyond Typicals before we're able to create a version that can be installed on Apple products. Cloud Access comes at an additional cost to all our monthly and yearly subscription options. To purchase a subscription with Cloud Access, be sure to toggle that option on at our checkout page. Cloud Access can also be applied to existing active subscriptions. Just head to your subscription details page after logging into your BeyondCAD.com account and click Change Plan to purchase the add-on. For adding on cloud to enterprise licensing or any other purchase questions like preparing invoices, please reach out to our team for assistance. Once you make your purchase, a unique link to your BT Cloud Access will be available on your subscription page. Simply click the Access Cloud link to begin a working session. For any account managers that oversee subscriptions for other users, you can copy this hyperlink and distribute to them as appropriate. Enterprise customers with the Cloud add-on will also have access to a Send Email feature on their plan page that can be used to generate an email with the Cloud Access link to their specified end users. We have some important recommendations and prerequisites that you should consider before operating Beyond Typicals Cloud. First, while BT Cloud should work on most modern browsers, we recommend the most up-to-date version of Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Other browsers or out-of-date versions may experience more issues. You also need to check your web browser settings. Make sure your browser allows cookies, that JavaScript is enabled, and disable any ad blockers that you might have installed. Most importantly, you need to allow pop-ups on that page in order to save and load your files, or render any images or videos. You can only operate one BT Cloud session at a time on your device. Also, all individual subscriptions are limited to logins from 2 tracked devices. Since BT Cloud can't access your computer's MAC address, logging in from different Wi-Fis on the same device may be tracked as separate devices. If you encounter login limitations, please contact our support team for assistance. Beyond CAD supplies a limited number of streaming device rentals, so usage in peak times may be denied or queued. We will continuously monitor and address any supply issues as soon as possible. Your cloud session will occasionally autosave, which starts a download of your current working file. An autosave interval can be set in your BT Cloud settings, plus an autosave will be attempted if your session times out. To maximize your screen space when using BT Cloud, we recommend toggling on the full screen view with the button in the top right of the window. But keep in mind that any operations that would start an upload or download, like when loading a file or saving or rendering, this will likely exit the full screen view automatically. Simply click that button again to re-enter full screen after completing those operations. We want to remind you that Beyond Typicals is still a PC-first application. The Cloud add-on offers new possibilities, but we recognize you may have a better experience if you're able to run it locally with a strong GPU. Keep in mind, BT Cloud performance is more about your internet speed than your computer's power. The faster and more stable your connection, the better experience you'll have with BT Cloud. Also, Beyond Typicals Cloud is not something you can leave idle. Your session may time out if left inactive. If this happens, your cloud session will attempt an autosave before ending your session. Finally, Beyond Typicals Cloud does not provide cloud storage. During your working sessions, saving a working BTIP file or rendering an image or video will start a new download to your local machine. Loading files, importing images for photo compositing, and importing assets will require uploading those files into your working session. All these files are cleared out from the virtual device as soon as your session is complete. If you have any questions about the Beyond Typical's Cloud Access add-on, please reach out via the Contact Us page at beyondcad.com.